Yes, seen stable, unstable, and neutral equilibrium. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You always remember this is a pendulum. So this is the tension. This is mg. Here there is no velocity. Okay, so you have this is okay. Now from this position, if you turn like this by an angle theta, this is mg, this is theta. What will be this? You can
Same
see
cosine
that
theta.
do you agree with this? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what happens? This particle can oscillate. This particle will be going up. If you release this will come like this, goes like this. Again moves like this. Agreed? So now therefore this is stable equilibrium position or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember always oscillations. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Sir, someone named Dot is there in our class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Our class only, our class.
I haven't allowed them. They belong to second year.
Completely, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, earlier we have seen at equilibrium position what you have.
So acceleration is zero.
First thing is,
Dou u by dou x.
see,
U is potential energy is constant.
stable equilibrium means
Dou square u by dou x square is zero.
Restricted and zero. Yes.
So, unstable means
this is what we learned already.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Maximum potential energy. Dou square u by dou x square less than zero.
Understood this? This is what we learned.
So,
Yes, sir.
Now we will apply the same thing over here
yes.
and let us see. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now find dou square u by dou x square we will find. That means dou by dou x of same normal differentiation, nothing to worry about this. What is dou u by dou x already you got?
Ux minus b.
Into 2x minus 1.
Okay.
Ua. Yes,
Sir.
Ua. Greater than zero.
This is positive one, you know?
It's a positive one.
Yes, sir.
That means dou square u by dou x square is 1 second. Hello? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, agree.
So what we can conclude here? Therefore,
Stable equilibrium. Yes.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you for a second show that previous page?
Wait. All of you noted down this?
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. 1 second, wait. Completed, man?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Tell.
sir, this equilibrium is neutral also, no?
Pardon?
Sir, neutral equilibrium.
Second derivative will be 0.
Okay, sir.
It is neither positive nor negative.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I turn
Completed, sir.
this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, yes, sir.
See, I'm giving 3 point like this. Find out that. 1 second, I'll be back. Note on this. Okay. ఇది డోర్ దిగిపోతుంది సో నేను లాక్ పట్టలే లైట్ వేస్తాడు ఎవరు వేస్తారు మరి దించి
हेलो। भाई लोग सर पिछले क्वेश्चन में इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन भी मालूम करके बोले थे ना।
Sir is not listening, sir. Did not wear headphones.
नहीं, मैं आपसे ही बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ बोलो।
अरे पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन मालूम करनी थी, लेकिन सिर्फ हम लोग यही मालूम करें ना कि स्टेबल है अनस्टेबल है।
हाँ वही मालूम करना था, इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन तो दे दिया था।
नहीं, इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन नहीं करनी थी।
इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन मतलब या इक्विलिब्रियम में है या नहीं है बस।
अच्छा अच्छा,
अगर
ठीक है, ठीक, थैंक यू।
Hello, sir. అంతకుముందు ఏమి చాలా రోజులు బయట చాలా సార్లు బయట ఉండిపోవాలి లాక్ అయిపోయి డాక్టర్ నాకు మంచి లాకే కానీ పాపం
మనం తీస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు అదే జరిగేది కదా, ఒకవేళ సమస్య వచ్చినప్పుడు అప్పుడు మార్కెట్స్ అర్థంగా. ఎందుకంటే ప్రస్తుతానికి ఇప్పుడు తక్కువ కదా. బ్యాగ్ వెళ్తాడు అలా ఎవరో తెలియదు నాకు. ఎలా నమ్మకూడదు. ఈ నెంబర్ నాకు ఇప్పుడు లోడ్ అయ్యింది. డబ్బులు ఇవ్వాలి కదా, వీడి షాప్ నిజాలు కూడా. ఇంత ముందు నేను నంబర్ నాకు ఎట్లా ఉందంటే మాకు ఎట్లా ఎవరో చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఆయన గూగుల్ పే చేశారు. గూగుల్ పే నేను పెడదాం. మరి ఇప్పటికి ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు దొరుకుతారు కదా, ఇచ్చేద్దాం. ముందు రావడం ఇచ్చేద్దాం. ఇచ్చేద్దాం.
అన్ని పక్కింటి వాళ్ళు క్లియర్గా సరిపోయింది కదా.
Any answer?
Neutral, sir.
Neutral, sir.
All cases neutral, sir.
Neutral.
How did you get this?
Same method, sir. Dou by dou x.
X is 0. The force is 0. This is the equilibrium position, no? Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, if x is positive, okay, n is 1, 3, for any odd number, then what is f, positive or negative? This is positive only, no? So this is negative, no?
Yes, sir.
That means
Yes, sir.
if this is x, this is f. Do you agree with this? Similarly,
Yes,
x is a negative. N is 1, 3, 5, so on. F is minus k minus of, this is what? Negative, no?
Negative.
So negative
Yes, sir.
of this is what? Negative only, no?
Yes, sir.
Negative
is
of
positive.
negative of a number, see, minus 2 power 3, minus 2 power 5, all these are negative, no?
Yes, sir.
So f is what?
Positive.
Negative, negative, what is that? Positive. That means if x is this one negative, force is positive. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
So what is this equilibrium called?
So
Neutral.
stable.
Stable equilibrium. So x equals to 0 corresponds to which one? Stable equilibrium. You remember that you are doing monotonously. Here the question of potential energy doesn't arise only, no? Here, why do you need
Yes.
u actually? Hmm? Not on this. Hello? Hello, finish it this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can tell.
So now I think you are comfortable with all these issues.
Yes.
Now I think you have to do your vertical circular motion also we have completed fully. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us start the next chapter. That is nothing but center of mass.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in the assignments
Mm.
uh, of work, power, and energy, vertical circular motion is not there, sir.
It will be there in the end. See,
Okay, sir.
it will be there. I think. Check up and again check up once again. If it is not there, you inform. I'll again check up and post it. Right. See here. Suppose I want to know the income of your family. Okay. Usually, whose income will take in general? Whose income will consider?
Fathers.
Father's income. That means center of economy of a family is nothing but father only, no? Agreed or not? That means if father is earning more, the family is earning more. That means father is rich, family is rich, no? Similarly, when a body is moving, different, there are how many particles a body has? Infinite.
No, sorry.
So infinite. Now Newton's laws are applicable only for point masses, not for bodies. What they thought is for a body, there should be some point. The motion of that point is same as motion of whole body. Okay, that means suppose this is an object or a train. Say there is a point here. This point displaces by s. That means any point displaces by the same thing, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Such a point is called as center of mass. Okay. Such a point is nothing but is called as center of mass. So here we can say that when we consider motion of a group of particles, system of particles you are considering, for example. Okay, there is one point.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, what is after when we?
Consider.
Pardon? Consider. Okay.
Yes.
Associated okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? That means
Yes,
we
sir.
can say that displacement of center of mass For example, when you are sitting in a train, your velocity is same as velocity of train only, no? That velocity of train means what? Velocity of center of mass of the train. Okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes.
No, no, no,
Yes,
no.
sir. Yes.
Yes.
Builds.
Completed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, through observations, because when we study a system, it is very difficult to study motion of all particles. So, if we concentrate on a single particle, that represents a whole motion, no?
Yes, sir. ECC.
Whose motion represents. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
So here we can say that center of mass of a body For dealing what?
For dealing motion.
It's a translatory motion only, not rotation.
Yes.
You cannot study rotation. Rotation is totally different. Now, for example, see, this is one particle, another particle, another particle, another particle, another particle. Now they are located. Now this is the position vector of first particle. No?
Yes.
This is the position vector of second particle. This is the position vector of third particle. This is the position vector of fifth particle. Position vector of fourth particle. Now, where to keep the center of mass? So, what they thought is, let us keep everything at one point where, what I said, whole mass of body or system is supposed to be concentrated. Okay. At
Yes,
that
sir.
point, you have center of mass. So, that is the position vector of center of mass. That is same as understood this?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of finding this individually, like it's very difficult. I'll keep everything at one point, I'll find this. So this gives the position vector of center of mass. What does this give? Position vector of center of mass.
Center of mass.
Yeah.
It means where the center of mass exists, you can find from this. Understood
Yes.
this?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the
Clear, sir.
location of center of mass. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
So this I'll write it as sigma ith particle its position. You know this, no? By total mass, no?
By sigma m.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
One
sir.
minute.
Yes.
1 minute.
Completed?
Put in touch with yes.
1 minute,
Huh?
sir. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Complete, sir.
Right. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose we are having two particles. So here, this is 1 kg, na?
Yes, sir.
The other one is at 2 kg.
2 kg x equal to 3 meter.
So here, both are having y as 0. Z is also 0. So x coordinate of center of mass we need. One into 0
Two, sir.
agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this is the center of mass now the distance of 2 meters. Agreed? Suppose they ask RCM. Because y1 all that are 0 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
That means instead of keeping particles like this, I'll keep the particle same thing at a distance of how much? 3 kg here.
2 meters.
These are identical as far as translational motion is concerned. This configuration and this configuration are same. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see center of mass is nearer to heavier mass or lesser mass.
Heavier mass.
Always center of mass will be nearer to the heavier mass.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can generalize like this. Suppose you are having a mass m1 here, m2 here.
Sir, can you just show the last page once?
Follow this.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Suppose I want to know the center of mass. First you should fix the origin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say the distance of separation is d. Then what will the coordinates of this?
D0.
Agreed? That means
Agreed, sir.
this is XCM, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir. In 2D by m1%.
Hello? Finished this?
Sir,
That
complete.
means see. Suppose there are two particles separated like this.
Yes.
Center of mass is here. Suppose this is R1. This is R2. Just now you have seen what is R1?
M2D by M1 + 2.
What is R2?
M1D by M1 + sorry, sir. D minus M2D by M1 +.
If you take LCM, you'll get that only.
M1D by M1 +.
Now you can see R1 by R2, if you divide, what you will get?
So M2 by M1.
M2D by
That
M2
means,
1 by M.
agreed? That
Agreed.
means more the mass, lesser the distance. So center of mass will be nearer to the heavier mass. Agreed?
Agreed.
So distance agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? See, there is a connectivity from one topic to other, so don't be absent again. One class you miss, the connectivity you miss.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
If M1 is greater than M2, R1 is less than R2. Okay?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
M1.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is for a particle. There will be, suppose the particles are like this. What is this called?
So system of particles.
System.
This is called as discrete system.
Yes, sir.
Discrete system. Means the particles are separated. There is a gap in between. Now suppose you take a body like this. It has several particles now.
Yes, sir.
This
Several
is
parts.
continuous mass distribution.
Yes. Discrete mass distribution.
Here you are doing what is RCM? Sigma MIRI by sigma MI. Same way here you apply. What you will do? You will take one small element of this DM.
Yes.
Agreed? And
Yes.
you will find the position of that.
So DR.
So here what you have?
R.
DM into that position vector. You sum up. Sum up means integration only, na?
Integration.
By integral of DM. This is RCM, no?
RCM.
Yes, sir.
Same thing. But here some integration is a summation. That's it. This is a
Yes.
DM. Is the total mass only, no?
Yes,
Understood
sir.
this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
How to find center of mass of discrete system, you know. This is center of mass of continuous mass distribution. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, here in continuous mass, we are taking just a mass of one particle.
It's a small element. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Did it?
See, for example, you have a rod. Means at any point it has same mass. Okay. So that means at any point
It has the same mass. Is constant.
it's also called a homogeneous body. Okay. Now we want to find the center of mass. We'll take the origin here. After that, what we do? We take a small element dm.
Yes.
Okay. Say this is at a distance of some
R.
x.
Yes, right.
Okay. Now this element has a width of dx. So what is the, see, for length L, what is the mass?
DM. Sorry, sir. M.
M.
Capital M.
1 unit length
So
or
M by
unit
L.
length?
Capital M by L.
M by L.
M by L.
Say this is lambda. Say for example.
Yes.
For length dx,
So m by L dx. Lambda
That is
dx.
only dm, no? We call that.
dm.
Any doubt?
No doubts.
Then you have center of mass. What I should take? Integral dm into x by integral dm. Am I right or not?
You are correct, sir. Lambda dx x by integral dv. Lambda dx.
Yeah, lambda is constant. X
Yes.
dx. This is lambda constant dx.
Yes. Integral dx.
Here, x is from where to where?
System 0 to L. 0 to L.
Lambda will be cancelled.
L square minus 2. L square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. L minus 0.
Understood this?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Obviously, for a rod, where will be the center man?
In the middle.
Half means L by 2. Half its length. Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Great, sir. Homogeneous mass distributions.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir. But 1 minute.
Completed. So
So, we can conclude that for symmetrical
Homogeneous bodies.
means regular bodies, not irregular. Okay?
Regular bodies.
Do you agree with this or not?
Center of the
For example, the scale is there. What is the geometric center?
Sir, L by
L by
2. L by 2 length.
Similarly, for a ring, this is the center, na?
Yes, sir.
It is homogeneous.
For a disc, center of mass.
center of ring.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Can you tell for a triangle?
Sir, triangle.
Centroid only.
Yes, sir. Center.
What is the height of centroid?
Sir, 2.
H by 3, no?
Sir, H by 3. H by 3.
yes, sir.
Yeah, one is to 3.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, is it necessary that at center of mass there must be mass?
Yes, sir.
No.
See, here there is no mass, no?
Yes, sir.
Center of mass is a point.
It
So
may have
there
mass.
all mass is concentrated, sir. So there will be mass.
It is assumed to be concentrated, it need not be. Center
Oh.
of economy of a father. Sometimes, along with father, your brother may also earn money, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Here mass is present, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So they may be or may not be.
Yes, sir.
Whether there is mass or not, see, whole mass is assumed to be concentrated. Here some mass is there, no?
Some mass is there. In
Hmm.
first,
Here there is no mass only.
no mass, but assumed to be concentrated.
Hmm.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Complete.
It's a- Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Pardon?
1 minute, sir. Previous page. Sir, complete.
So we can say that there may okay.
Yes, sir.
See,
sir.
suppose this is one rod, for example. Okay, this
Yes, sir.
is mass is at the center, no?
Center. Homogeneous.
Yes, sir.
Another rod I am taking, same length.
Yes.
The mass is here.
Yes.
Now suppose I am bending that rod, then what will happen? Here, half of that will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree or not?
Agree, sir. So,
Yes, sir.
Now you can see what are the coordinates of this. This is L by 2, L by 4, comma 0. This is 0, comma L by 4. Because each one is L by 2, center of mass is at the center, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this system is nothing but there are two particles, no?
Yes,
One
sir.
is m by 2, this is m by 2. Where are they located?
So in coordinate
That
plane.
means the center of mass will be somewhere here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this has XCM,
YC.
YCM. This is RCM, no?
Yes, sir.
You're able to understand or not? What is XCMN?
L by 4 comma 0. M by 2 into L by 4 plus M by 2 into L by 4. So 0. M by 2 plus M by 2. So ML by 8
L by 8. Similarly, we have
by 0. M by 2 into 0 Nice. M by 2 plus M by
That means
L by
it will be present somewhere. The rod is bent like this. It is present somewhere here. Where is that? L by 8 and L by 8. Do you agree with this? This is the
Yes.
total mass, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the center of mass or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Agreed,
Agreed?
sir.
Now, you can see that, okay, this is the center of mass. Center of mass for the body is inside. Now, the same body is bent. It is outside or not?
Outside. Yes, sir. Outside.
That means center of mass may be within the body or outside the body. It depends upon shape of the body. Do you agree this point?
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree.
Right. So that means center of mass may be within
Within the body.
or outside the body.
Yes, sir.
The other point is its location depends upon what?
Shape of the
Shape
body.
of the body.
Shape of the body.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Till here any doubts are there? Hello?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Completely understood.
Right. I will continue tomorrow, same at 9 o'clock. Now this time I'll take extra class, no problem, no? Sometimes.
No problem, sir.
No problem, sir.
Okay, tomorrow we'll meet again at 9 o'clock morning. Okay?
Yes,
Go ahead then.
Okay, sir.
yes, sir.
Take care.
Yes.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Mhm.